I had heard these horror stories before I started doing it. I had read like articles on Johnny Depp trying to get one of his tattoos removed, and how he talked about how painful it was, and I was so scared when I first came here.
Tattoo removal specialist Dr. Jeffrey Rand says the practice has had a painful history.
There was dermabrasion, which is basically a rotary device which would wear the skin down. There are things like chemoabrasion or salibrasion, where you take various chemicals, you abrade the skin and you put salt or chemical solutions and you scarify the area and you try to bring them out. There's of course surgical excision, where a surgeon will simply cut out a tattoo as if it were a foreign body or a tumor or a mole.
But these days, lasers have changed everything.
Only your target, in this case the ink, absorbs the energy, and there's no absorption by normal structures and therefore no collateral damage.
The pain level was nowhere near what I thought it was going to be. It's like someone flinging an elastic on your back a bunch of times in a row, but that's not nearly as painful as someone like slashing your back up with, a knife, which is what I thought it was going to feel like. So I was pleasantly surprised.
And despite claims to the contrary, lotions can't remove tattoos.
There are many patent remedies which are sold and heavily marketed, which claim to be able to remove tattoos by topical application, but none of them truly work, although many people in desperation and perhaps out of ignorance or denial try to use them before they come and see me.
For Tracy, removing the tattoo sure beats getting one.
I thought it was more painful to actually get the tattoo, and I was in more pain after the tattoo than I am after these treatments.